So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music in your YouTube videos without copyright. There is a separate section for no copyright music in YouTube. So let's see how to add that music. But before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's dive into the video without any further ado. So first of all, open YouTube in your phone and search for no copyright audio library. Here you can see in the top and a channel comes audio library music for content creators. Here you can see a lot of videos. You can use any of the songs in this channel in your videos copyright free. You can just go and download it and it will be copyright free. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.